When disaster strikes, every second counts. But did you know you already have survival gear in your home right now? Before you spend hundreds on new gear, check your house, because these everyday items could save your life. Let's start with something simple: trash bags. These aren't just for garbage. A heavy-duty trash bag can be used as an emergency poncho, a makeshift shelter, or even a way to collect and store water. Preppers know that multi-use items are a must. Duct tape, arguably one of the most underrated survival tools. You can patch up torn gear, secure shelter materials, even make emergency repairs to your shoes or backpack. If it's good enough for NASA, it's good enough for your go bag. Next, a compact mirror. Most people forget about this, but it's an essential tool for signaling rescue teams if you're stranded. Flashlights are great, but what if you run out of batteries? A mirror can reflect sunlight over long distances, making it an invaluable survival item. Hand sanitizer. Sure, it keeps your hands clean, but did you know it's also a fire starter? Because of its alcohol content, it can ignite easily. Combine it with cotton balls and you have a fast, efficient way to start a fire when you need warmth or cooking. No survival knife? No problem. A sturdy kitchen knife wrapped in cardboard can serve as a temporary blade in an emergency. It's not ideal, but it's better than nothing. These are just a few household items that can go straight into your survival bag. But for everything else, like top-tier water filtration, first aid kits, and tactical gear, visit alwaysbereadyusa.com and get fully prepared today.